5, 4, 3, 2. Do you see how much close we are? And see how far from here we are. It is much harder than what we have thought of. We are almost there. Sit right over. Our first pine cone. That means we are closer. You can feel it. You can see it. The trees. The pine trees. We are there. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the moment. Oh, but we are not still reached our destination that we have to reach in the given time. My God. The flowers you can see with some insects inside, and the darkness there will eat all the light. The trees. Finally, everyone is here. And moments later, we got united with our lost team. Finally, I can drink some water of this long distance. चल भाई, हमें उस तरफ जाना था, हम पहले पहुंचे. बोलेंगे इधर से उतरेंगे हम, क्योंकि वहाँ से. हो पानी. हाँ. ये कुछ स्पॉट हुई शुद्ध. I'm resting on this trunk. You can see the shadow length. They are trying to find some mushrooms so that they can sell, and they are very expensive to sell. They can make them more money. What did he found? This is a very nice spot. You can rest just just be under this. When it's raining, you will feel like you are in the shed. He was just collecting these things. He knows they can bear mushrooms, so he thinks he can do business.